Hello, I'm Emma Olatunji, and this is another YouTube video where I'm going to be telling you how to make money on Instagram. Various ways you can make money on Instagram. Instagram is a big platform where you can make money just like Facebook. Instagram is a big place where you can make money just like Facebook. However, if you decide to make money on Instagram, there are a lot of things you need to consider. There are, uh, there are lots of things you need to understand, you need to consider to make money on Instagram. So quickly before I move on, let me chip in this. Instagram is owned by Facebook. It's owned by Facebook. And very soon they want to change the name of Instagram to Instagram by Facebook. Instagram by Facebook. Some years back, if you want to do anything on Instagram, you have to go through you have to go through Facebook. It's going to reflect on Instagram, but things are changing. Every single day things are changing every single day. So number one way of making money on Instagram is by suggesting what we call affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling a product. When you are selling a product through referral basis, when you are selling a product through referral basis, you have a product that you want to sell, and it's going to be through link, through website. When you sell, each time you sell that product through that link, through that website, you are going to be given a commission. So you can make money on Instagram through affiliate marketing. Number two is having products that you are pushing on Instagram. When you have a product that you are pushing on Instagram, take for example, you are into cake making, you are fashion designer. Most especially if your business has to do with pictures, if your business has to do with video, you stand a great chance of making money on Instagram. You stand a great chance of making money on Instagram. Another way of making money on Instagram is selling your services on Instagram. Selling your services on Instagram, and that costs for you doing short videos of 59 seconds. When you begin to do short videos, you can make money through that on Instagram. Selling your services, selling your product on Instagram. So you begin to do short video, throw it to your followers, throw it to Instagram, begin to snap pictures, begin to do short videos, you begin to throw it on Instagram. You can make money from that. And you can also make money by what we call Instagram for business. Instagram for business. Instagram for business. There is a way you can link your e-commerce platform to your Instagram. There's a way you can link your e-commerce platform to your Instagram. There are a lot of people on Instagram already. So when you now have e-commerce platform, you can join your e-commerce platform to your to your Instagram, and you can do that by using BigCommerce, by using Obero. They are fantastic software that you can use to join your e-commerce to your Instagram, and you're gonna make a lot of money through by joining your e-commerce to your Instagram. Another way of making money on Instagram is by selling your pictures on Instagram. You go to 2020.com, you go to sniperware.com, you go to Shutterstock, you go to pixel.com. So they are good websites where you can get beautiful pictures from. And if you have good phone, if you have good phone with good camera, you can use it to snap yourself and sell it on Instagram. So you're gonna make a lot of money through that and you can also make money by becoming influencer on Instagram. You can make money by becoming influencer on Instagram. That means you have a lot of followership on Instagram. To become influencer, that means you have a lot of followership on Instagram. Having a lot of followership on Instagram means you grow from 0 to 100,000, from 10,000 to 20,000, and so on and so forth. Like like that on Instagram, and you can grow your followership organically without adding any likes on Instagram. You might want to consider buying hashtag, to sell your product, to turn up your sales, and you can also do that by uploading pictures every day on Instagram, beautiful pictures, by following influencer on Instagram. By you following influencer on Instagram, their followership will begin to follow you too, and most especially when you begin to engage of influencer positively, their followers will begin to follow you too on Instagram, and you can make a lot of money from that on Instagram. Another way of making money on Instagram is selling product through influencer on Instagram. Go to buy house shout cars, plugin. They are good, they are good websites where you can sell your product through influencer on Instagram. Your influencer is going to charge you maybe something like $30, $50, instead of paying 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. So they are fantastic websites where you can sell your product through influencer on Instagram, and you stand a great chance of making a huge lot of money. You stand a great chance of making a huge lot of money on Instagram. The beautiful thing about Instagram is that you can make a lot of money on Instagram by joining your e-commerce platform to your Instagram. Joining your e-commerce platform to your Instagram, and if you do your work well, you'll be so sure gonna be so sure that a lot of opportunities are available for you on Instagram to make money if you do your work well. So Instagram is a big platform where you can make money, just like Facebook. You can make money through affiliate marketing, pushing your product, selling your services, selling your product, uploading pictures on Instagram, become influencer on Instagram, selling product through influencer on Instagram, and joining your e-commerce platform to your Instagram. So on this note, I would like to say thank you for watching. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is packaging 1 So till I come your way next, I'm Elma Olatunji, and I say remain financially intelligent. Thank you.